So I just found 3 no related experience needed work from home jobs in the healthcare field. You might need to have a little bit of customer interaction experience, but you don't need any medical experience for these jobs. They'll train you in these positions. You'll start September 3rd, 2024, and you can earn anywhere from $20 to $24 per hour depending on the job you take. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into them. So all 3 of these jobs come to us from Imagine 360. They provide self-funded health plan solutions for employers. The first job I'm sharing is for a navigation support coordinator. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, and they'll pay $20 to $21 per hour. This job starts September 3rd, 2024, and they'll train you from 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday for 4 to 6 weeks. And because it is a 100% remote position, you don't have to live in the Central Time Zone. Just translate your local hours to those hours. So in this position, you'll be responsible for researching all requests that could not achieve first call resolution and require further research and outreach. This work is inclusive of provider research, utilizing internal and external technologies, negotiating with out-of-network providers, and other required tasks to coordinate medical services for members. So what all that means is you'll coordinate with the navigation team to research provider accessibility and appointments for members. You'll contact multiple provider offices and work with their staff to ensure plan acceptance and available access to scheduling care. You'll also coordinate related internal and external logistics, such as retrieval of medical records, email communication, miscellaneous administration functions, and tracking. Using Imagine 360's proprietary software, you'll accurately track and document applicable actions taken, provide critical related data reporting as needed, interact and build relationships with clinicians and service providers while leveraging the proprietary technology to streamline and simplify healthcare complexities, and participate in special projects and developmental opportunities. And you do all that while exercising good business judgment, following outline call procedures, and meeting competitive outbound production goals. All you need is a high school diploma or a GED, and they tell us some college is welcome. And they'd like you to have prior call center experience, preferably in an outbound production environment. So even if you've never worked a call center before, if you ever had a job where you dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer service, customer experience. So make sure to put that on your resume. They list some preferred qualifications, and these are just preferred, they're not required. So they prefer you have exposure to medical benefits. They prefer you have experience with inbound and outbound calling. They prefer you have prior experience in collections, customer service, provider services, or sales calls. They prefer you have experience meeting weekly, monthly, and annual call count, production, and quality goals, and they prefer you have experience strategizing and researching best practices for outbound calls. And again, all of those are just preferred, they're not required, but if you meet any of those preferences, you'll definitely stand out. And when it comes to this exposure to medical benefits, I'm sure you can do a quick internet search. You might even be able to find a YouTube channel where you can learn a little bit about medical benefits. You need to be a problem solver, and you're able to investigate issues. You're proficient in Microsoft Outlook, Word, and Excel. You have strong verbal and written communication skills. You're highly organized. You're able to manage your time wisely. You're trustworthy and accountable. And you're willing to routinely and reliably come to work on schedule and adjust your shift and schedule based on the needs of the company. So in addition to earning $20 to $21 per hour, they offer a nice suite of benefits, including a lot of time off and tuition reimbursement. So if you like this job, this is job number 1. You can find the direct link in the description below this video. The second job I have is for a healthcare navigator, and they actually have several positions available. So this is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, and they're going to pay $21 to $24 per hour. Beginning on September 3rd, 2024, training will run from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday for 6 to 8 weeks, and you don't have to live in the Central Time Zone. Just translate your local hours to those hours. So in this position, you'll deliver specialized service over multiple channels by acting as a single point of contact, maintaining ownership of member resolution, and navigating optimal care. You'll manage and coordinate elevated member issue resolution with confidence and a sense of urgency, and those issues may pertain to access of care, provider selection and outreach, and surprise billing. You'll provide concierge-level guidance for members involving their benefit plans, take ownership of the member experience from beginning to end, establish and build strong rapport with members and internal counterparts, and become an expert in benefit administration and healthcare solutions. You'll guide the understanding of health benefit coverage, including accumulators, explanation of benefits, out-of-pocket maximums, and reimbursement levels, and interact with members, clinicians, and service providers while leveraging the proprietary technology to streamline and simplify healthcare complexities. You'll anticipate member needs and conduct research on their behalf to resolve current and anticipated future issues, and participate in special projects and developmental opportunities. They prefer you have a college degree or equivalent combination of college and work experience, and that's just preferred, that's not required. You need to be a problem solver, you're a good investigator, you're proficient in Microsoft Outlook, Word, and Excel. Healthcare industry work experience is a plus, but not required. You have experience in delivering client-focused solutions based on customer needs, and like I always say, if you ever dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies. You need advanced soft skills with a high level of emotional intelligence. And when it comes to advanced soft skills, I'm thinking you need to be mature, reliable, independent, and a multitasker. And they want you to have strong written and verbal communication skills. And just like the first position, you get a nice suite of benefits with this job. So if you like this one, you can find the direct link below. This is job number 2. And remember, this one pays between $21 and $24 per hour. All right, so that brings us to our third and final work from home, no experience needed healthcare job. This one is for a provider services professional. It's a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, and they'll pay $21 to $22 per hour. This job starts on September 3rd, 2024, and they'll train you from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday for 4 to 6 weeks. So you'll be doing a lot of phone work and data entry in this position. You'll handle phone calls from facility and professional providers regarding plan documents, benefits, and claims, and thoroughly understand and demonstrate a command of products and services in order to be able to accurately respond to detailed questions. You'll also perform triaging of emails and voicemails, enter data into the system, professionally communicate through various channels, and clearly communicate and coordinate with colleagues and other departments as necessary. They want you to have a high school diploma or a GED and at least 1 year experience within a customer support role. Health insurance experience is strongly preferred. They want you to have excellent written and verbal communication skills, including active listening skills. You're extremely detail-oriented, and you're proficient in Outlook and Microsoft Office applications. So if you like this one, it pays $20 to $22 per hour. You can find the direct link in the description below this video. Well, there you go. We just went over 3 really good work-from-home healthcare jobs that don't require any related experience. And if you want to work from home but you don't think you have what it takes, check out this video right here. I share 13 no experience needed work-from-home jobs. Good luck to all of you who apply, and as always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.